Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on Windows Defender on your Windows 11 computer. Some of you guys might refer to it as Microsoft Defender or Security Center on your Windows 11 computer. And it says that this app was turned off by group policy. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on how to resolve this error message. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in regedit. Best match should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select file and then export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you'd have to do is select file and then import and navigate to the file location. So now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for policies, so double click on that. Should be a Microsoft folder under here, double click on it. And then finally, there should be a Windows Defender folder. Just left click on that one time. If you need to pause the video and take note of our file path, it's up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is a different subfolder we've gone under up to this point. So anyway, on the right side now, there should be a D-word value that says disable anti-spyware. Just go ahead and right click on that and select delete. Select yes. And now you want to go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And hopefully at this point your problem has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.